Today, I conducted an interesting experiment with artificial intelligence. I converted Mercedes car models into motorcycles, trying to retain their characteristic style elements. Given the drastic transformation, the style traits are only minimally noticeable, but the results are fascinating nonetheless. The first motorcycle was based on the iconic Mercedes 300 SL. I believe it turned out quite well, and the bike somewhat reflects the 300 SL's style. The primary colors of the motorcycle were a certain type of blue and silver, which I later changed to gold. This gave it a much more appealing look than with the silver. What really pleased me was the bike's simultaneous retro and futuristic feel. I really enjoyed this design. The next design was based on the Mercedes Vision Gran Turismo. Unlike the previous base model, this one is a futuristic car, so the motorcycle ended up being much more futuristic. I built the motorcycle on the basis of the previous design, and I also used gold as a secondary color. For this design, I used another Mercedes Vision model, the EQXX this time. I discarded the base of the previous motorcycle and also the gold secondary color and created a speed bike. The motorcycle resembles the base model car less, but it turned out to be astonishingly beautiful. The best part was the design of the rear of the bike, which ended up being quite unique. I also wanted to create an even more futuristic bike, this time based on one of my own Mercedes designs. I aimed to create something that was simultaneously a sport bike, a cruiser, and a chopper. The result was astounding. It's really hard to classify this motorcycle. It turned out to be very special, with its shape and extended front forks. I really liked it. I also wanted to create a unique three-wheeled chopper. It was based on the Mercedes G-Class, but it was so heavily modified, and the final result was so transformed that there aren't many parts left that resemble the G. In addition, I created a few test models, but I didn't modify them much in Photoshop. I felt I deviated a lot from the Mercedes design, and essentially, they don't reflect the Mercedes cars at all. However, in the end, we got some truly beautiful and interesting motorcycle designs. I bid farewell with this beautiful design and rider. Write in the comments which design you like the most and what kind of video you would like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.